Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and close the case. Now we should have not connected here. And now open it again to reconnect them. Now check it, maybe it help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold functional button for at least 10 seconds until this red light it stops flashing. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device and then click on your headphones as the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!